Welcome back, everyone, to another tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you on resolving the issue of Facebook dating not appearing, which has been quite frustrating for many. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app and tap on your profile picture or the sign-in button. Scroll down until you see Help and Support and click on it. Next, select Report a Problem. We need to report this issue to Facebook for assistance in fixing it. Click on Report a Problem, choose No, I don't want this, and then proceed to report the problem. You may need to shake your phone to initiate the report. Now, when creating the report, select Data Modes and describe the issue. For instance, you can write, "My Facebook dating is not showing, please help me fix this problem." Then, upload any relevant data if necessary. Finally, click the Send button. You've now sent a report to Facebook, and they will work on resolving the issue for you. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Goodbye.